The reading of the minutes of the Journal of the May 18 Proceedings, 2026, and consider the
ang natatanging kapangyarihang dinggin, litisin at pagpasyan ang lahat.
The evidence will show that more than 612 million pesos in confidential fund entrusted to the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education were disbursed, transferred, and liquidated under circumstances that cannot withstand scrutiny. 612 million pesos. Hindi ito pera ng gobyerno. Pera ito ng sambayanan. Pera ng manggagawa. Pera ng magsasaka. Pera ng OFW. Pera ng guro. Pera ng bawat Pilipino na nagbabayad ng buwis at nagtitiwala na gagamitin ito ng tama.
Mga kababayan, pakinggan po natin ang isang kultural na pagtatanghal.
Hirap na hirap kami mag-register paano makapasok. Pero vacant naman pa. So we fear that the minority is trying to build up a case to dismiss the impeachment trial based on these procedural questions. And we are worried about this because further delay of the impeachment will prevent the presentation of evidence about the misuse of public funds, about corruption, about unexplained wealth. These are the substantive matters that we need to tackle right now. And that procedural debates are, we believe, are unnecessary.
So you think the allies of
Dapat managot!
Nagbabantay tayo at kailangan natin kalampagin, i-pressure itong Senado na i-convict si Sara Duterte dahil napakalakas po ng ebidensya laban sa korupsyon sa kanya.
Ngayon ang inaasahan at hinilang po namin na makonvict si Sara Duterte mula sa kanyang mga ginawang katiwalian sa gobyerno.
Mismo nang galing sa bibig ni Sara.
The impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte is hereby called to order.
Senator Judge De La Rosa, Senator Judge Ejercito, Senator Judge Escudero, Senator Judge Estrada, Senator Judge Go, Senator Judge Ontiveros, Senator Judge Lacson Legarda, Senator Judge Marcoleta, Senator Judge Marcos, Senator Judge Padilla, Senator Judge Villar Camille, Senator Judge Villar Mark.
This is about accountability. This is about explanation. If wealth was lawfully acquired, Where is the lawful explanation? If transactions were proper, where is the complete accounting? If numbers truly add up, then why do they refuse to reconcile?
Ng katiyakan ng lahat, lalo na ang ating mga kababayan, gagampanan ko ang aking tungkulin ng patas at may
Ang ordinaryong Pilipino ay pinapanagot. Bakit hindi ang pinakamakapangyarihan na opisyal ng pamahalaan? Ito ang dahilan kung bakit mahalaga ang paglilitis na ito.
Enough jurisprudence, more than enough, to explain to us
3 journal was ratified unanimously on June 17.
Kindly be mindful of the clock.
Yes, thank you very much. Ang sabi
Because what is your pleasure, ma'am? The lady may do so.
Samahan. Kasama si Alan. Ngunit ginastos niya ang kanyang sinumpang trabaho.
Para lang kaltasan ng kung ano-ano. Ultimo sa amin.
Pat-atletisin po si Sara Duterte dahil po under the Constitution dapat lang naman pong ma-impeach kung sino po yung dapat i-impeach at arestuhin po ang hindi maare-arestong Bato de la Rosa.
Huwag matakot! Makibaka!
Tayo sa Senado hanggang matapos ang impeachment. Hinihintay natin magsimula.
Solemnly swear that in all things, according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines,
of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Trial on the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman.
the court having been organized and the articles of impeachment having been presented, let a writ of summons be issued to the Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, who is directed to file her answer within a non-extendable period of 10 days from receipt, pursuant to Article 7 of the Rules of Procedure of Impeachment Trial.
For over 25 years, CNBC TV 18 has been the guiding force for investors, steering them through the markets.
Start your trading day with cutting-edge insights and expert analysis.
Seize every opportunity by decoding the forces that drive the market.
Equip yourself with strategies and guidance from India's biggest market mavens.
Invest with confidence as we beam live from the CNBC TV 18 Motilal Oswal studio.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.